Is your well contaminated? Yes, people get scared all the time about owning a well. Relax. Let's talk about, is your well contaminated, right? So first of all, let's talk about some of the indicators. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to show you a video of coliform, a visual indicator of coliform in your toilet. So if you take the lid off the back of the toilet with that reservoir, if you see bubbling action in there, that's a visual indicator of coliform. How does the water get contaminated? Well, about 20% of wells actually, according to the EPA and the Department of Health, could get coliform in it. So you want to check for that. You want to check and test for that. Now, the best thing to do is, although I just shared with you the visual indicator, is test your water. I'm going to tell you, you're the water authority for your family. So what do water authorities do? Test their water. Yeah, they test it. They're like, hey, let's do something brilliant and check it. I can't tell you how many people are like, oh, I bought my well, I bought it. The real estate agent, who's a salesperson, said, hey, it passed the water test. You got great water. Wait a second. I mean, it's a salesperson telling you you have great water. Hello? I mean, let's not let them dictate us for our future. The EPA, the Department of Health, says test your water regularly. I may have shared the visual indicator, which, by the way, if you see that, please go test it right away before you drink the water. We do deal with people who get real bad stomach issues. They're violently ill. They're throwing up. Someone's okay with the water and someone's not okay. It's really important to test for coliform, nitrates, and E. coli and lead in your water. That's what the Department of Health says you should be testing 4 times a year. That's the only way to know whether or not your well is contaminated. It's very important to do that. Now, we're going to put a link down below so you can learn from the EPA. There's a great document that discusses owning a well, being the water authority for your family, right? The EPA published a great document. Check the link out below, and what you're going to be able to do is read about your responsibility for owning a well. It does get into some details about owning a well, but we also have other videos that you can check out. 6 things to know about owning a well, and we have one other one that's coming out, the video that's how to maintain a well. So you can check out our other videos if you like as well. I'll do the video for you, which is easier than reading a book, right? So anyways, how does your well get contaminated? It's really simple. Just so you know about it, is that whether it's a lake, a river, maybe it's a cracked well casing, the well casing you need to check every year. Maybe the well itself is not structured right. Maybe your septic field is cross-contaminating your aquifer. These are the things we need to look out for. That's why it's so important to test your water. So if you need further help on that, call us 847-382-7800. As you know, my name is Drew, and I'm here to serve you.